Welcome to a video by Abron. This is a value vacuum pump, which is the top world brand, which is a value. Here it comes you with this box. Here you will find one wire and one pump, and there is oil which is sufficient for the pump. I'll show you how to fit this pump and then take it out from box. The parts are there, very easy to use. This is a nameplate which tells you the capacity is 57 liters per minute to CFM. This is up to 50 megahertz. If it is 60, the capacity will increase. 1/4 of a HP is the motor and 250 ml of the oil that comes. This is C marked. This is a chamber. Here it is, the fan is inside. This one is a motor. Here it is a junction box. This one is a vacuum. It takes the vacuum from here, and this has a chamber. This is an oil tank. Oil is, the bottle is there. It will come to you. You have to open this. There is an inside cap and fill it up to this point. This is you have to fill it, the oil from here. Put the oil from this chamber. Initially it is sent without oil to you so that it does not spill, and when you have to use it, keep it there. You have not to take it out. This is the point where it should be minimum above this, so you can put it maximum up to this point or this point, but the minimum is this. The oil should be at least you can see some oil is still visible here. Some oil is there. It is now without oil. If you want to drain out the oil, this is the point where you have to open it and take out the oil. This point is only for vacuum. There is one switch here, on off switch, 220 volt. Fan is inside. It is covered. Now I show you just the working. You have to attach the rubber tube, vacuum tube, which should be thick one. Otherwise it will suck. If it is a thin tube, it will suck and close the tube. So it should be thick tube which is designed for vacuum. Put it, push it, and then if you are not using it, close it. This also comes with a gauge. We also provide the gauge like this also, so that you can put the gauge and then take out the vacuum. Here we have another model. These parts are written, manual is there, parts are written. All these are safety precautions points. I show you all the points here. Then these are the safety precaution description of the this, how to check it, how to use it. These are the parts which is there. This one is now the changed one, the oil filling. Earlier it was the bill back side, but now this top is oil filling. Here it is written as oil. Now this has been removed. It doesn't come with that. Now there is another one. Here the oil system is written. Before operating, you must fill the oil, and you do not need to keep it. What is the maintenance? These are the things. Oil changing procedure. If it is using and you have used it for almost a lot of long time, then you have to use it. These are the other parts. Internally, if you have to repair it, somebody has to repair. These are the parts, and these are the capacities. This model is VE115. It gives you 51 liters on 50 megahertz, 57 liters on 60 megahertz, and this is 1.8 CFM on liters per minute is 50 liters. 150 micron is the total pressure, and 1/4 is the motor, this HP motor, and this adapter is 1/4 inch. This oil capacity 250 ml. The parameters are there. We have got different models with us. These are dual stage. We have got the dual stage pumps also, and all these things, voltage data are also. These are the full troubleshooting. You have to see there is any trouble is there, you can use it. Unlimited type warranty is there. It is this company gives you. Please visit the website and subscribe to our channel, or you can send us WhatsApp messages. And these are the email abron01@gmail.com. Website is abronexports.com. Please visit the website and send us your comments. Subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.